Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here. In this video today, we're going to be talking about optimizing your book title to increase sales and exposure. So our focal point will be on SEO. Now, what is SEO? So in the context of publishing, we're going to be talking about optimizing our book titles for more visibility and potentially making more sales, right? Copywriting. So copywriting, in short, is persuasion in words, right? So you're selling people, but in words. So this is a paramount skill to have in this day and age. You need to learn how to copyright, or at least hire someone to copyright for you. You know, you want to be able to create a title that can be captivating and appealing, and that's going to really sell to your customers. Now, I've done many videos on copywriting before, so if you're interested, you can check that out on my channel. So you check it out on my channel because, again, I've covered this topic before, so don't want to go in depth detail about this any further. Do not keyword stuff. So this creates an unappealing title, right? Keyword stuffing is something I see a lot of self-publishers do, and they do this to be able to gain more visibility and exposure by stuffing the most irrelevant keywords, or sometimes somewhat relevant keywords, into their title. So again, they can get more exposure. Now, this one can create an unappealing and ugly title, and two, it can be misleading if you're throwing in irrelevant keywords that your book doesn't even cover, right? So this is a practice I don't recommend. Don't keyword stuff. It doesn't make your book title look very appealing. It looks very unprofessional, and it's not a good practice. Balance is key. So you want to position your most relevant keywords 3 to 4 in your book title and 1 to 2 in your subtitle. Apply good copywriting that can create curiosity and engagement. So do not throw random keywords in your title just to rank. So this is keyword stuffing, especially if your book topic doesn't cover the subject matter. This is a sure way to accumulate negative reviews because you're misleading your customer. So this is a sure way of getting bombarded by negative reviews that's going to kill off your book ranking, because customers are going to buy your book because of a certain keyword you stuffed into your title, and then your book doesn't even cover that topic or subject matter, or perhaps only briefly covers that topic or subject matter, right? And another reason why you shouldn't do this is against Amazon's policies, because you are misleading customers if you're keyword stuffing by using random keywords that aren't even relevant to your book. So don't try to serve a plethora of niches in one book. Narrow down your focus and define your customer avatar, and cover content in that one specific niche to the best of your ability. Now, the only exception to this rule is creating bundles where you have multiple books and topics and niches that you can kind of blend in. However, for the purpose of this video, we're talking about serving, a particular customer, so defining a customer avatar, and it's inside one niche in one book, right? So for example, let's say you're doing dating. If you're in the dating niche, you're going to cover topics like creating a first impression, dating apps, how to strike up conversation, first date, etc. Now, you're not going to talk about marriage or finances, although these are somewhat interrelated in the niche. Those topics or niches can be covered in other standalone books, right? So that's what you want to do. Now, I'm going to give you an example of a bad title. So here's an example of a bad title. As you can see, the author or self-publisher has keyword stuffed the title. So self-discipline, self-confidence, program your mind for high self-esteem, love and compassion, build up daily habits, develop an unbeatable mental toughness, motivation, and affirmations. Well, one, this is a mouthful and it's a very unappealing title. And two, this author is stuffing irrelevant keywords, right? Some are relevant, some are irrelevant, right? It doesn't make sense. So I'm going to show you what an optimized title would look like that's more professional and more appealing. So self-discipline 101, unbeatable mental toughness. So this would be more of an appropriate type of title to use as opposed to this one. And as you can see, I have pruned out and taken out all the irrelevant keywords. So that's going to be all for this video for optimizing your book title. I hope you found it helpful and that you can use these tips and strategies to increase your exposure and potentially increase your sales as well. So if you found it helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Comment below, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.